Progress is being made on a first-of-its-kind shooting range in the Hill City. Liberty University leaders say that they are finishing the first of a multiple-phase approach to building the range on campus for students. It'll accommodate all Olympic shooting sports.
They've got a number of programs in Europe that have been wildly successful, bringing European kids to the sport, and we're going to try to emulate that with them here.
School leaders hope to have the first phase up and running this spring. The second phase will include 2 massive sporting clays and a timber lodge to house the shooting team and accommodate guests.